Hello gorgeous people, how are you doing? Welcome back to another video, another day, another recipe. And today I am going to show you how to make yummy starter kaimati. Please guys, keep watching. Okay, so here is my ingredients. Here I have 2 cups of plain flour and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. I mix well. Then here I have 1 tin of coconut milk. I'm going to use the whole tin. And also I'm using 1 cup of milk. But this is half cup, so I'm going to use 2 of them. That makes 1 cup of milk. I'm going to mix well until everything combined together. You can also use a mixer. Here I'm finished the other cup of milk, the other half cup. That makes 1 cup of milk. So now I am going to beat until it's soft and there is no lumps for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna beat until it's soft and there is no lumps for 5 minutes. As you can see now it's soft, so I am going to let it rise double in size. So now let's make syrup. Here I have 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and the cardamom. And I'm gonna let it boil. Mix everything together and cook for 5 minutes on a medium heat. The consistency should be like this. If you see bubble, that means it's fine. Leave it aside. And now we continue with our kaimati. As we can see, our dough here has raised double in size. So now it's time to fry our kaimati. Here I have a cold oil. So first make sure you mix with hand again before starting frying it. And this is the way I'm making the shape of my kaimati, by using left hand squeeze a small bowl and my right hand I taking the spoon and take the bowl and put in a pan. There is a different ways of making the shape of kaimati. I'm going to show you 2 ways. This is the first way. So if you find this one harder, I will show you the other way, which is much more easier than this one. The oil should be on a medium heat. I dip the spoon on the oil so as the kaimati doesn't stick on the spoon when I put it to fry. We're gonna cook our kaimati until golden brown. This is the nice color. This is the color that I like. So I'm gonna take them out from the oil. But if you want them to be a little bit darker, you can leave them for a few seconds. So now I'm going to show you the other way to fry kaimati. Just we use the hands, no need of a spoon. Just take small amounts in your hands and put in the oil, and that will make the nice round shape for the kaimati. So you will choose which one will be nice for you or suitable for you. For me personally, I prefer the first one because I think that gives me the nice round shape compared to this one. This one has a nose, ears, not a perfect round. So I prefer the first one. And this is our kaimati, guys. They're so nice, so soft, so yummy, mashallah. So this is a starter for Ramadan. When you want to break your fast, it's a good starter, but it's also a good dessert. So yeah, I hope you will try it. So now it's time to put the syrup, and make sure you put the syrup the time that you want to serve it. Okay, when you want to serve it, at the time you put the syrup. If you don't want to serve it, just leave the way they are. So this is our sweet dumplings or kaimati, whatever you want to call them. I hope you will try this recipe, and please, if you try it, leave me the comment down below how you find them. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.